kakikoy ko, ang oras ngayon dito ay alas 8 ng umaga. Sishare ko lang sa inyo yung nangyari sa araw na ito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe Kiko YouTube TV. I will put my link down below on my description. And to all my members, thank you so much for sharing your blessings, even though a little bit it's helping. And yeah, I wanna say I did run today, so I did not run for a couple of days because of too much rain, you know, so I don't want to get wet. Alright, so yan ang nangyari ngayon. Nagising ako ng maaga, ginawa ko yung part-time ko, cleaning pa more, you know. Kahit sabihin yung trabaho ko rito janitor ay maganda naman ang kitaan. Salute sa lahat ng mga cleaners dyan around the world. Ayan, reaction ko lang doon kay kay Silver Tae. Dapat may silver boy, silver tae, tabalolo or muklok. Kagaya nung in-upload ko nung unang video, itong truck ko, Silver Boys, Silver Tae. Pumunta ka rito sa Canada at kunin mo to, ibibigay ko sa'yo libre. Ayan, bulok ang katawan pero ang kalooban nito, kondisyon. Alright, 1990 Ford F-150. Ibibigay ko sa iyo, pura mismo, Silver Tae. Ayan. Shout out kay sa ating nag-iisang Padro Alas in boxing. Keep on training to get your more strength this coming of your fight. Good luck. At sa lahat ng mga supporter ko, thank you so much. Alright. Oh yeah, someone is coming. I don't know who is this. Oh, my friend.